Design and develop intelligent systems and machines. ABET-accredited Bachelor of Engineering in Mechatronics at Chandigarh University equips you with the skills and knowledge to excel in the dynamic fields of robotics. Automation and intelligent systems benefit from a cutting-edge curriculum designed in collaboration with MG Motors Private Limited, Texas Instruments and National Instruments Private Limited, to keep pace with industry advancements. Develop expertise in 3D modeling, PID controllers, PLC programming, and AI-based systems that put you ahead in the global tech race. Get hands-on training in state-of-the-art labs equipped with precision automation tools, IoT-enabled devices, and next-gen robotics technology. Work with the latest industry-grade software and simulation tools used by leading global companies. Benefit from in-demand value-added courses enhancing your credentials. From conceptualization to execution, build projects that redefine automation and revolutionize industries. Transform into an industry-ready professional with placements in top-notch companies. Step into the future of intelligent engineering. Enroll today at Chandigarh University, a world of opportunities.